Hello, firsties. How are you? Today is lesson 107 for phonics, and we are going to talk about a new vowel pattern. So we're going to jump right in with today's lesson. All right, I have a word written on my board. We're going to look at the top word first. So what should we do before coding the word? What should we look for? We look for suffixes or final stable syllables. Do you see any in this first word? No, me neither. So next, we'll look for some obvious coding. Do you see any obvious coding, like a digraph or a combination, a C to put a K back? Me neither. Okay, so what we're going to do is look for the vowels. So how many vowels are in this word? There are 2 vowels. What vowels are there? O and I. Very good. So we're going to write the letter V under the O and a V under the I for vowel. What's the next step? We look for the consonants between the vowels. How many consonants are between the vowels? Just one. We're going to label the consonant with a C. So this vowel pattern is a VCV pattern. Where is the best place to divide and accent a VCV word? After the first vowel, okay? And we'll accent that first syllable. Okay, so let's see what we have in each syllable now. This O is open. So we'll put a macron. So we'll say O. And the second syllable, we need a brevy. That I is closed in. So let's try to say this. This would be O, so row, in, bin, robin. Have you heard of a robin before? I haven't either. So dividing a VCV word after the first vowel is the best place to try first, but some words don't follow that pattern. So the next best place is to divide the VCV pattern after the consonant. So let's try that. I'm going to erase the vowel markings in that line. Let me clean it up a little bit. So now let's try after the consonant. Let's try it there. So now the O is closed in because of the B. So it will be short. This I is closed in because of the N. So this would be rob, in, robin. Have you heard of a robin? Yeah, me too. So remember the VCV pattern, you want to try after the first vowel the first time, but you might have to move it to after the consonant. Okay, so let's try this word. Okay, let's try this word. So we have a suffix in this word. So I'm going to box the suffix. Now we're just going to pretend it's not there. Any other obvious coding? Nope, me neither. How many vowels are in this word? Remember, we're not looking at the suffix now. So how many vowels are in the root word? There are 2. Vowel I, vowel I. And how many consonants are in between the vowels? Just one. Okay, so let's try it here. So the I, there's not a consonant in this syllable, so it's going to be open. So it's going to say I. This I is closed in because of the T. So let's try that as a brevy. So let's try to sound this word out. I, lie, it, mit, limit. Limited? Does that sound right? No, let's try to move that divider line. Okay, so now we're going to try after the consonant. So now the I is closed in, so it'll get a brevy. This I stays closed in. So now let's try to sound it out. Lim, it, limit, limited, limited, that's a real word. So you just have to try it out and see what works the best, okay? We do have 2 new sight words today. Let's look at these words. Here's our first one. This sight word has a capital letter. That means it's an important word. This word is America. Can you say the word America? Let's spell the word together. We're going to say capital A, M, E, R, I, C, A. America. Can you use the word America in a sentence? We live in the United States of America. Great job. America. This next word also starts with the letter A. This word is animal. Animal. Let's spell it together. A, N, I, M, A, L. Animal. Can you use the word animal in a sentence? My favorite animal is a penguin. Very good. All right, join me for our worksheet.